Hello, my name is Tom Niemela. I'm one of the Oregon representatives for National Off-Highway Vehicle Conservation Council. We call it NOHVCC sometimes for short. We are starting a series of videos for all the riders out there. Mine is on trail maintenance. It's been a long winter and Ma Nature has had her way with our beloved trails, whether it's water or snow or windfalls or whatever. So we can start off by, next time you go out, kind of keep track on your GPS or make a mental note of where the windfalls and things like that have happened. You can start off by carrying a chainsaw, and there's many ways of carrying a chainsaw. You can put something like this on your front rack, or if you've got a big chainsaw, you can carry a backpack specifically for a big saw. Or you can carry other tools such as a small army shovel, fold-out shovel, or to drain ditches, because you don't want them to have water sitting. Fortunately, if the trail's got a big mud puddle, it's on the side of a hill, you can just cut a hole in it and then let the water come on out, and the riders will thank you for it. There's also other tools that you can use too, like I've got a homemade unit here. It's a telescopic pole. And this blade, the wood from a wood zig, folds out and it basically makes a rake. You can also, if there's face slappers, you can carry a snipper or a machete or something like that. But everybody should be carrying something like this, which is a wood zig. And that way you'll keep people from riding around the downed trees. And out here in Oregon anyway, we have lots and lots of windfalls and trees, and at least in the Northwest. So make sure and take care of that stuff, and go out, and if you can even set up a work party, I highly suggest you do. It's a lot of fun. Just kind of make sure and get the advertising out, and say clear the trail for a half a day, and then the second half of the day go out for a ride. Have a good time and let the riders understand the things that they've done. And it makes them a sense of accomplishment, and it's a lot of fun. You meet some new people, and it's really a great time. And I highly suggest it, so get out and do that if you can. Have a good time. That's the number one thing, and don't forget your gloves. You can always wear your goggles as eye protection too. See you out on the trail.